I'm Ananya, I'm an OTPT student, and today we are going to perform an activity to explore how to improve executive functions and time management, right? So I know that you have challenges with your executive functions, which affects your daily planning and organizing skills, and it also affect you to manage your time effectively, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to perform an activity which will help you to improve your executive functions. Before we start the activity, I want to make sure that the environment is safe and we do not have any potential hazards. And if we need to make any adjustments, we can make the adjustments. So can you please pull your chair closer to the table so that you're closer to it? Okay. So now I have everything that we need. We have the planners and we have the time schedules. So what we have to do is we'll use the multi-context approach today. This approach emphasizes that practical application in various contexts. We will focus on few key steps, that is anticipation, error detection, error correction, strategy generation, and self-evaluation. So first, if we start with anticipation, what we are going to do is I want you to think about your upcoming week and think about what you're going to do in your whole week, right? So take the marker and mark whatever you need to do in the next week. Okay, so I see that you have marked most of the stuff. I'm going to give you your actual schedule that you were going to have planned for next week, and I want you to see what all things that you forgot to mention. This step is called error detection. This will help you to foster your planning, and it will engage your brain into remembering more things.
I forgot some things to mention here.
Okay, so if we spot issues, we will correct them, right? So what all do you think that you forgot?
I forgot ballroom dance class, arts and crafts workshop, stretching exercises.
Okay, so let's plan all of those things at a different time zone, right? Let's mark those.
Okay.
Okay, now that you have marked everything, we're going to move to our next step. That is strategy generation. So what we are going to do is just like, okay, so you have this gardening club, right? For example, so it is a big task for you to do. What we are going to do is we are going to divide the task in different days. Right? Okay, so now we have done the strategy generation. Now that you know that you have to divide your tasks, what we are going to do is we are going to practice self-evaluation. What do you think that what will you do differently next time to remember all of the things?
From the next time for remembering, I will use the
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So throughout our activities, you have performed very well. To grade this activity for you, because you were able to do everything very well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to, add more difficult tasks to your schedule, right? So what do you think about sewing and quilting workshop? Do you know how to sew?
I forgot.
Okay, so how about we add that in your schedule next week so that you are able to work up your week with confidence. Now that we have everything planned for next week, scheduling also helps in different tasks as well. Just like you can think about it in grocery shopping and also in study your assignments. So just for example, if you have any assignment due on Tuesday, you can think if it is a big project, you can break it down in 3 days and do it in 3 days. That is strategy generation. Our time together, we made sure that your body mechanics was good and you were comfortably positioned. And this is very important for safety and your therapeutic outcomes. You did a pretty good job today, and thank you for joining me today.